In this series of courses, we will cover everything about pulse jet bag filter. This course will explain types of bag cleaning. Course 2. This course consists of 1. Types of bag cleaning include A. Shaking filter, B. Reverse air filter, C. Pulse jet filter. 2. Bag filter fundamentals. 3. Fabric filter control system. Types of bag cleaning. 1. Shaking filter. Types of bag cleaning. A number of cleaning mechanisms are used to remove caked particles from bags. The four most common are shaking, reverse air, pulse jet, and sonic. 1. Shaking filter. Mechanical shaking is accomplished by using a motor that drives a shaft to move